Hello, welcome in my first development update video from my new course where we are going to create a decentralized application, dApp, on Sui blockchain with a Move programming language, and as the front end we will use React.js. I have already started recording the course. I have uploaded already lectures. You can find the link in the description. Okay, so let's take a look at here. That's the application we will be working on. This is the proposal application where we'll be able to create different proposals and vote on them. The basic front end is created. We will have here a home view where we'll display all the proposals. When I will click on the proposal, there will be also modal view that will display me additional details and also buttons to vote, either a yes or a no for the proposal. We are just learning. These are just a few first lectures. I'm just explaining the basic stuff about the Sui blockchain, about the Move programming language. So there is not much implemented yet, but what I can show you now is that we have created our first smart contract, our first package. We are calling it voting system. We have here only one struct which will represent our proposal. We'll be changing it a little bit in the later lectures. Also, we have here a function to create the proposal. What we have done so far, we have published this package. We have deployed it to Sui blockchain, to the testnet. So if I will show you now. I'll look for this ID. So I stored it in SRC. Let me find it. There should be constants here, this package ID, so I will be able to look for it on the Sui Explorer. So this package ID is deployed, so you can see the package is on the Sui test, and we have been sending the transactions to test out a couple of things. So we have been creating the proposals from our terminal with the Sui client commands. And the plan for the next lecture is actually get these proposals and display them, and then to prepare all this voting functionality. Okay, so we will be learning all this stuff. You will get pretty familiar with all the information you can see right there now on your screen about what all this data means. We'll be inspecting the transactions itself. Okay, so we'll be looking at it and these programmable transactions. I'll be explaining all these properties, inputs, transactions types, commands, and object changes, and all of these things. Then we'll get to the front-end part. On the front-end part, we'll be creating the basic page from the scratch, where we have a wallet view, home view. On the wallet view, we'll display all these objects that we have created before with our smart contract. Also, there will be a button to connect to the wallet. So we will install Sui wallet. We'll connect we'll create a wallet here with our account, and then when you click here, connect wallet. And this will connect me. Okay, so to connect to Sui wallet, we are connected, and this will display informations about my account, all of the objects I am owners of. Currently, I'm owner of the 3 objects. I'm owner of the Sui coin. So this is my Sui balance. You see here the amount of Sui I have, 0.948. And then we have 2 other objects which are upgrade capabilities. This will be explained what are these objects for in the later videos. Okay, so see the 3 objects. When I will inspect my address in a Sui Explorer, you will see I am owner of 3 objects as well here. Of course, it's the same data here. You can see I am owner of 1 coin. This is my balance. All right, and then to these upgrade capabilities, you can see them here. Okay, so that's so far. That should be around 30 lectures, I think. It should be done. I'm recording 5-6 lectures every day. I'm adding them daily, and I will keep you updated about the functionalities that I already have implemented to the course. Okay, so that's a little bit different course after a longer time, and hopefully you will like it, and I will see you in the next update or in the course. Cheers.